When Blue Altair partnered with University of Florida, we focused on their advancement and fundraising operations. This is a division where speed, relationships, and context are the literal difference between a missed opportunity and a major endowment. But they were hitting the exact legacy bottleneck we just diagnosed. Their CRM and their institutional data warehouse were operating in complete silos. For the business leaders on this call, you know the pain of data lags. An advancement officer might sit down with a major prospective donor, but the dossier they rely on is 24 to 48 hours out of sync. They are missing vital real time data for cultivation. This is exactly where the combined power of Blue Altair and SnapLogic changes the equation. Blue Altair came in and provided the architectural blueprint. We mapped the complex business logic, defined the strict governance structures, and architected the foundation. But to actually execute that vision at scale, University of Florida deployed SnapLogic's intelligent automation platform. Using SnapLogic as the engine, we stripped out manual workarounds and engineered an automated unified fabric bridging the CRM and the data warehouse gap. The immediate outcome was revenue growth. Advancement officers could make faster, highly informed decisions. But just as importantly, we established governed trust. The data was finally compliant, secure, and auditable. But here is why this matters to our conversation today. By solving this integration gap, the University of Florida didn't just fix a reporting headache. They became agentic ready. Because their data is now real-time and governed, they possess the exact architectural foundation required to deploy AI tomorrow.